Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to solve Leetcode problem 2923 find champion 1. So this is another array related coding question or matrix related question. So we'll solve this problem today. I'll show you two different solutions how to solve this problem. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. It really helps and supports this channel. On this channel, we create videos to help others in their coding and Java interviews. You will find more than 500 different solved coding problems explained with whiteboarding sessions and examples for your easier understanding on this channel. So don't forget to check out those playlists. They will definitely help you in your interviews. And let's start with this problem now. So there are n teams numbered from 0 to n minus 1 in a tournament. Given 0 index 2D boolean matrix grid of size n by n for all ij, that is 0 is less than equal to ij is less than equal to n minus 1 and I is not equal to j, team I is stronger than team j if grid ij is equal to 1. Otherwise, team j is stronger than team I. Okay. So team A will be champion of the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than team A. Return the team that will be champion of the tournament. So this is what the problem statement says. So we have to find out the champion team, and these are the some constraints. Grid dot length is n, so it's a n by n grid basically, and n is between 2 to 100 inclusive, and the values in the grid will be either 0 or 1, right? So it's like a basically kind of a winner or loser kind of thing, right? And input is generated such that if the team A is stronger than team B and team B is stronger than team C, then A is stronger than team C. Okay, so let's take a look at this example over here. So we'll understand it better here. So you can see here that there are three teams here, right? So let's write down here so it will be easy. So this is team, let's say team, this is team 0, right? Because we will start with 0 indexed, right? This is team 1 and this is team 2, correct? This is again team 0 here, team 1 and team 2, right? Okay. So now wherever there is a 1, it means that here you will see 1. So it means that the team 1 is stronger than team 0, correct? Here you see 1. It means that the team 1 is stronger than team 2 also, correct? So it means that basically this team 1 is stronger than both the remaining teams, correct? It's stronger than 0 and 2. It means that it's a champion basically, correct? So that's why you will see that the output is 1 here. So it's same thing, you will see their explanation that it 1 means that team 1 is stronger than 0, and 1 to 1 it means that it's also stronger than team 2. So it's a champion basically because it's stronger than all other teams basically, correct? So this is what the problem says. So now you understood this problem. Why team 0 is not champion? Because it is team 0 is stronger than team 2, but it's not stronger than team 1, right? It's not stronger than team 1. So team 0 cannot be a champion. So team 1 is the champion. That team has to be stronger than all other teams, right? So that is what the problem statement says. So now you understood what they are saying, right? So we just want to find out the champion team. So one way to find out the champion team is that you just go, so this is again a matrix. So if I draw lines, right, so it will look like this, right? So this is a matrix 2 by 2, correct? And it has 3 rows and 3 columns, right? So let's just draw it so that I can easily explain. So now what we will do is we will go row by row, right? We will go row by row and we will calculate their sum, right? So sum of this first row is 1, right? Sum of the second row is 2 and sum of the third row is 0, correct? We are just taking sum of the rows, okay? And then once you know the sum, you will just go through these sums, right? And wherever is the sum maximum, right, you will just count it as the champion. So sum maximum here is here, right? So this row is the champion basically, which is number 1, correct? Because it means that here the output will be generated such that there will be only one champion. So now maximum sum will be there only for one champion, and then once we find maximum sum, then we actually found the champion basically, correct? So this is the way we can solve this problem. That is one way, just by traversing the matrix. The other way what we can do is traverse the matrix and keep capturing the team and their scores in a map, right? So that is another way. So you can create one map, right, and you just keep track of the teams and their scores. So 0 1 2, and your score will be here 1 and 2 and 0, correct? So you create one map like this. Once you have a map, then you can just traverse through the map and find out the maximum score. So maximum score is here, so the team 1 will be the champion, correct? So that's how also you can implement it. So let's take a look at both the Java solutions. So you understood this. I hope it's very easy to understand. So now here is our Java solution code. So find champion is the method that we are implementing, and 2D grid is given to us. It's integers, right? Because it's going to contain only 0 and 1 values, correct? And we are going to return int, which is the champion row, or champion basically team, right? Int max is 0, int max team is -1. In the beginning we created two variables here. Now in this for loop we are going to iterate through that matrix row by row. Okay, row by row. So I is equal to 0, I is less than grid dot length I plus plus. First we will create one counter, it's 0, and we will iterate through that row here now, right? For j is equal to 0, j is less than grid I dot length j plus plus, and we will capture all their scores, right? Grid of ij, and we'll add it to our counter, correct? So we are going like this. So each row you go this row first, right? Calculate the total score 1, then this row second row calculate total score 2, like this. So that's what we are doing, and you are keeping track of the count. If this count is becoming more than the max, then max is count and max team is equal to I. So we are keeping track of the team whose count is maximum basically, correct, in this one. So in these two for loops, you are iterating through the matrix row by row, and at the end, your max team is the winner basically, or champion. So you have to just return the max team here, and that should do it basically. So here we have two for loops. So your time complexity for this code is order of n square, where n is the size of the grid, right? And the space complexity for this code is constant because we did not use any extra space here, right? So let's run this code against the test cases. Test cases are accepted. Submit the code to the Leetcode. Make sure it gets accepted as well. And the code is accepted by the Leetcode 75.56% faster than other submissions. So this is the way you can solve this problem. So this is one way to solve this problem. Let me show you another way as well using hash map. But hash map means extra space, but I just wanted to show you that quickly. It's a very simple solution as well, but you will just come to know about another way of implementation, right? So you will create one score map. Score map will hold integer comma integer, because integer is the your row and is the key, and the another integer is the score, right? So this is the hash map. Again you go through the matrix here and you calculate the score for each row basically, right? So you go here and you keep calculating the score for each row. So score map dot put I, for the ith team you are putting that value basically, score map dot get I plus grid ij. It means that you will have the map for each row and its score, right? Row and its score, correct? So once you have that information, now you can calculate the champion basically. So you'll take two variables here. One is max points earned is 0 and max champion is also 0. In the beginning we are now going to iterate through our score map here, and map, you as you know, map has entries, right? Entry objects are there basically. So score map dot entry set will give you the entry objects. So you are iterating through the entry objects, and you are checking if the entry dot get value, if it is if your max points is less, then you will update your max points onto that value, correct? It means that you are finding a more value row, correct? Then you are updating your max points onto that value, and you are updating your champion as well, right? So max champion is equal to your entry dot get key. Get key and get value methods are there in the entry object. So get key will give you the key. Key is the team basically, or row. So max champion is the will become row whenever you find some other entry with more points, right? And you will update the max points earned. So in this for loop, you will come to know about who is the max champion. You just have to return the max champion, correct? So I showed you already, this is how the map will look like, right? This is how the map will look like. So you will have your row and your score, right? Row and score. So you are just finding the maximum score there, basically, correct? And let's give it a run, make sure this code also works correctly. So again, getting accepted, submit the to the Leetcode, and the code got accepted on the Leetcode, as you can see here. So this is another implementation by using map. So these are two ways you can solve this problem. Find champion 1, 29, 23 on Leetcode. So another problem on the matrices. So I wanted to show you both these approaches and their solutions. So in the second approach, we have used again, your time complexity is same, order of n square, because two for loops nested, but you have a space here, right? Because you use map, so it means that your map will be counted there, right? So order of n will be your space complexity. Okay, so I hope you understood both these solutions and Java solutions as well. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, give it a like to this video, subscribe to this channel. Your subscription really helps and supports this channel. On this channel, we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and coding process. They can learn different techniques such as BFS, DFS, different algorithms such as breadth first search, depth first search, sliding window algorithms, monotonic stacks, priority queues, hash set, hash map, and lots of other data structures, and different techniques for graphs, matrices, binary search trees, binary trees. So don't forget to check out the playlist. You are definitely going to enjoy them, as well as you are going to learn a lot from those playlists as well. Those are the problems previously asked by tech companies in their interviews, so do check them out. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more different varieties of problems. And thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.